I'm going to be doing a video that I saw this video. Okay, I don't know who originated it, but it's a cool science experiment. So we're going to take boiling water, guys, and it's currently minus 32 here. We're going to take boiling water. And from what I'm told, you throw boiling water into the air in minus 30 or colder, and it turns to snow. So we're going to try this out. If not, then I guess I may be going to the hospital for burns. But everyone that I've seen has worked. So we're going to find out today if it actually does work. We've got the water boiling already. And then, yeah, once it's done boiling, well, we've got it on the stove. It's not boiling yet. Once it's done boiling, guys, I will take it outside. Brian will take over filming, and we will see if this works. Now that it's boiled, guys, we're going to take this outside. I'm going to hand this over to Brian, and we'll be right back. Alright. Let's see if this works. Let's throw it off here.
Yeah. We're going to see if this will turn to snow.
Good shot.
Hold on.
Good?
Yeah. And there's your snow. Oh, yeah.
That's fucking cool.
That's snow. That's boiling water. That's snow. That's boiling water. And it's snow. Wasn't that
so,
awesome?
Guys, stay tuned because I think we're going to do some more snow stuff over the weekend so you guys can see it. And yeah, hopefully you like that. That was actually pretty fucking cool. I think I burnt my hand.
That was wicked.
We'll catch you guys next time.